Hello everyone, welcome back to new video once again. So today I'll be talking about some kind of translate English and it will be really help you to enhance your English. So let's come to the point and let's get started and try to share it. Okay, I have told you always all the time, but you didn't. But it's your own opinion that what you like to do. So let's come to the point and let's get started. So number one, supposed to kotha ase. So I am supposed to write. আমার লেখার কথা আছে, or you can say I'm supposed to eat, আমার খাওয়ার কথা আছে, I'm supposed to go, আমার যাওয়ার কথা আছে. So like that, okay, and you have to practice like that. So number two, likely to. Likely to means সম্ভাবনা আছে. He likely to do job. তার চাকরি করার সম্ভাবনা আছে. Or you can say anything, okay, about yourself. So number three, forbidden to, নিষেধ আছে. So নিষেধ অর্থে I am forbidden to do bad work. আমার নিষেধ আছে কিছু খারাপ কাজ করার. Okay, and you have to make sentence like that. And the last one is seems to, মনে হচ্ছে. Okay, it seems to me bad. আমার খারাপ মনে হচ্ছে. It seems to me good. আমার ভালো মনে হচ্ছে. So like that you have to practice and you have to make sentences. Okay, and how was the class? Let me know. And if you really like this video, don't forget to share it. So have a great day. See you some other time. Bye.